Hello everyone, welcome you all in my new video. In this video, I am going to solve few problem which is based on inverse theory, and the question is from GATE 2021. So the first problem is the diagonal element of a covariance matrix computed for a linearized inverse problem having model parameter m1, m2, m3 and m4 which are 49, 15, 3, 240 respectively. The standard deviation, that is uncertainty in the estimation of model parameter m4 is. So we have to find out the uncertainty of model parameter m4. So the in the question given as the matrix is covariance matrix. So covariance matrix is defined as, suppose the matrix is of the order 5 cross 5. So the covariance matrix will be, the element of the covariance matrix will be s1 square, s12 square, s13 square, s14 square, s15 square. So this is the first row. The second row will be s21 square, s2 square, s23 square, s24 square and s25 square. These are the element. So the third row will be, this is the second row. Third row will be s31 square, s32 square, s3 square or s33 square, s34 square, s35 square. Now next is s41 square, s42 square, s43 square, s44 square and s45 square, or you can write s4 square. This is the third row. And this is the fourth row. This is the last, that is fifth row. And the element will be s51 square, s52 square, s53 square, s54 square and s55 square. So these are the element. So now in the covariance matrix, the diagonal element, that is this one will be the variance, and non-diagonal element will be covariance between s1 covariance. So if we consider s12, which is covariance between element 1 and 2. So this is clear. So s12 will be the covariance between first and second variable, and s1, s2 and s3 are the variance. So s1 square, s2 square, s3 square will be the variance. Now in the question given that the diagonal element which are the model parameter, so variance will be model parameter, that is s1 square will be m1, s2 square will be m2, s3 square will be m3, s4 square will be m4 and s5 square will be m5. So these are the variance, and m1, m2, m3, m4 and m5 are given as 49, 15, 3, 240. So these are the either variance or you can say model parameter. Now, as you know, the relation between variance and standard deviation, that is SD. So the relation between variance and SD will be, so the SD, that is standard deviation, can be written as the square root of variance. So standard deviation of the estimation model parameter M4. So the estimation model parameter M4, that is standard deviation of fourth diagonal element, will be given by square root of M4. So standard deviation will be square root of 200, which is nearly about 14.1. So the answer will be 14.1 for the fourth estimation of model parameter M4. So the answer will be 14.1. Now next question is, which norm gives the maximum weight to the data points having maximum deviation from the smoothly fitted curve during the linearized inversion? So as you know about the norm, that is distance between 2 points. So L1, this is the definition for L1 norm. This L1 is norm, and mod E will be the error vector, which is given by D observed minus D predicted. So this is the difference between that. Now similarly the L2 norm, which is defined by this equation. So LM norm, that is LP norm, is defined by this, and L infinitive norm will be defined by this equation. So in question we have to find out which norms give the maximum weight to the data points having maximum deviation or outlier from the smoothly fitted curve. So the answer will be an infinitive norm, because the reason is different norm gives different weight to outliers. For example, L infinitive norm gives all the weight to the largest misfit. So the answer will be L infinitive norm. So thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share it to everyone. Thank you so much.